Hello DIY fans, and welcome to my channel. Today I'm gonna do a life hack. My mom came to visit me for a couple of weeks and she brought back Kool-Aid. I haven't drinking Kool-Aid in a long time, but after I was hanging out with my mom, all of a sudden I want to make some Kool-Aid. So I also remembered how I used to make Kool-Aid and it used to always have the sugar all at the bottom. And had to shake it up, or you would be, drinking your Kool-Aid with granulated sugar. So I found the perfect way to make Kool-Aid with no sugar at the bottom and very tasty. Okay, so here we go. First thing I have is filtered water. I already filtered up here and I left space for me to put in one of my special ingredients. I buy one of these at the store. I'm using raspberry lemonade because I'm making pink lemonade Kool-Aid. I put this in and it helps it for flavor. I also got a lemon to make it taste like some really, really super good, perfect Kool-Aid, okay? So now the first thing we're gonna do, like I said, I already measured out the water. This is for a 1 gallon size container of Kool-Aid. And then the sweetness depends on how you want to sweet. I'm using this GMO-free Zulka sugar. And of course the regular old Hey Kool-Aid brand Kool-Aid. All right, perfect. Now let's get started. So the first thing, of course, I'm going to do is go ahead and put the fun part. I use 2 packages of Kool-Aid. I'm doing this to get it all to go to the bottom in case you didn't know. Pour Kool-Aid in there. Hey, Kool-Aid. Oh, yeah. All right, we're going to make some good pink lemonade Kool-Aid. All right, now it's in here. And with this container, I have the top on it, so I'm going to shake all the ingredients up when I'm finished. But if you have a regular container of Kool-Aid, of course, you could get a spoon and kind of stir this stuff up as you go along. Now I'm going to take this. I already let it melt. I don't use it frozen. Of course, everything is going to be able to drink right away. Pour one of these in there. It's going to make it taste really good. Then, I forgot to get my knife. And I'm going to also add a lemon. I already rolled it, got it all nice and soft and tenderized. You can use a lemon squeezer to do this as well. Like I said, I'm gonna do it the old-fashioned way, and so it doesn't squirt everywhere. Put my hand over it and just put lemons in there. You can also cut some up and put some in there, but I don't want to do that right now. I'm just gonna do one for now. I'll do the other one later. Now the best part, now this is the ancient Chinese secret, or ancient my mama's secret. All right, so what we're gonna do is stop from having sugar at the bottom Kool-Aid. For 1 gallon, I'm gonna use like 2 cups of sugar. You got different levels of sugar. You could use 1.5 cup, you could use other stuff, however you wanna do it. But so I use about 2 cups of sugar to 1 gallon. A little less than 2 cups of sugar to 1 gallon. And then I take that and I have some more filtered water right here. And I'm gonna go ahead and fill it, put some water in it, like that, and let it go down. And then I'm gonna mix it around. Make sure the water, you don't want to put too much water in there, just enough to moisten the sugar, and then stir it up just to make sure that it's all in there, right? So you think that's it? Nope, that's not it. And once you've done that, you come over here and we are going to put it in the microwave. And while that's doing that, we can go ahead and start stirring up some of these ingredients. That's all mixed up. And I'll go ahead and put this other lemon in there now, other half of the lemon. Sugar's almost done. Take it out. Doesn't have to be totally mixed up. There you go. Doesn't have to be all the way granulated, but once it gets warm, it starts to dissolve. And then you take that, pour it in here. Yummy, yummy. There you have it. Let's turn this up. Stir it up. Not even that much. You don't have to do all that. If you have the sugar, you'd be stirring forever. And you can let this sit all night, and you will not have any granulated sugar at the bottom. So, and then it's ready for instant drinking. Usually you might want to wait, but it's ready for instant drinking. I got a cup with some ice already. Pour it in there. You don't have to chew on it. You got the perfect Kool-Aid.